What is the sound of this universe and how it is linked with ancient Indian beliefs? The science of this universe had a very deep connection with Hinduism. The concept of the Om sound and its connection with the creation of the universe is deeply rooted in Sanatana Dharma. According to ancient Indian scripture, Lord Shiva created the Om sound before the universe came into existence. Science has confirmed that the sound of the universe is Om, and modern technology has confirmed that the entire universe vibrates with an Om vibration. However, we cannot create the Om sound by chanting it, but we can produce a vibration similar to the vibration already present in the universe. This fact was known to ancient civilizations, and that is why Om is used in most shlokas and mantras. Therefore, the science of this universe has a deep connection with Sanatana Dharma.